Okay, so continuing on with close guard. Last time we looked at this armor cross body series and we took the back. A reaction Shay can do is he can pin me by putting weight on me, and then the pathway will be for the pendulum sweep. So again, if he's making this grip on the lapel, short arm, long arm grip, which is common in gi close guard, I'll make the cross grip, hand comes underneath by my wrist, turn the sharp bit of my left wrist up, and again from there I'm just breaking that above my head, finding the wrist and getting the outside space with my right hand so he can re-grab, find somewhere under the armpit, and then when I pull with my legs, I pull it across. Again, we looked at earlier in this mesocycle, he might pull back, which can give me the overhook, but the other action is I fill that space first. So I'm coming up, I'm making a wall with my chest, so my chest is connected to this tricep. My left hand grabs under the armpit. Again, I'll open my legs and cut an angle. So my ankles are not crossing the middle of his back, they're across on his left hip. So we looked at the option of coming up and taking the back. Shay can drive into me, either by posting his leg up or just driving his weight into me here. So now he's really pinned me flat on my back. So now if I try to actually get onto his back, it's not going to happen. But because he's driving me that way, I'm going to sweep him that way. So my left hand grip stays the same. Right comes under and either underhooks his leg or makes a grip in the pants. So two variations in doing this. I can just drop my left foot to the mat and put it beside his right knee. Load him onto me, and now from there I'm just sweeping him more 45 over Shay's right shoulder. So I'm bringing him forward. Again, I want to take advantage of this arm across body series. Perfect for the arm bar from here. So when I come up, I'm already winning that underhook, moving into S mount, and now I can go straight into the juji. Let's get another angle on that for just a minute. So from close guard, he's made his grip. I get the cross grip, hand comes underneath, sharp bit of my wrist up. So as I pop that off and control that space, drag it across. As I come up, he's driving into me. So again, just from there, I can underhook, take him over, and if that arm is across the body, from there we can go straight into the juji. Second variation of it, just there, bro. I can kind of more like your classic pendulum sweep. So I make that cross grip, break that off. When I come up and he drives into me, I'm just underhooking that, and now I'm going to pull my knees towards my chest, and then I'll kick my left leg out as I bring him over. From that position, I'm already winning that underhook, straight into the juji. So, break it off. We're always looking for that reaction, that pressure where he's driving into me. So as I underhook this, I just bring my knees towards my chest, loading him up onto me. As I come up, we have armbar, just one more, bro, just to go back to the mat. So, break that grip. See, drives into me. Another reaction is he mightn't post his left leg on the mat. He might keep his left knee on the mat, which means I can just grab the pants. And from there, I bring my knees towards my chest to load his weight onto me. So as I come up, I'm already winning the underhook on the far side arm, cutting that angle, post my hand on the hip, lean towards his legs, and we're straight into the arm bar. So that is the pendulum sweep from the cross arm series.